We're here in Anaheim, California at a homeowners association, and we're going to show you the standard problem that's happening. We have serious root invasion problems where the actual foundations of the garages in your homes are picked up. And as we can see here, this one large ficus tree that's planted here directly behind me, we're going to come in and we're going to root prune right around the base of the tree. This is right around the hardscape area, and we're going to do it in a concave curve type of a prune. And then we're going to drop in your root barrier rolls. These are your polyethylene root barrier rolls. And what this is going to do, it's going to put a barrier there, and it's going to stop the tree roots from growing underneath the hardscape and creating the damage. By putting a shield in between both roots as we cut, we prevent the roots from regenerating and going out and retouching and connecting to the existing roots underneath the concrete foundation or hardscape area. It's a very unique way to go, and it actually will save tens of thousands of dollars in repair. Root barrier does work. It's been proven throughout the U.S. and proven throughout the world in many applications. By installing a root barrier, whether it's 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch, you're going to buy time. A critical time to prevent that trip and fall or that damage from happening to your existing hardscape. Century root barrier roll. We've got a perfect trench in a surround type application where the roots have been pruned, and now with a little cleanup of the roots themselves, and in the barrier installation, complete project with minimal damage to any shrubs, hardscape areas. We're able to drop in a root barrier application and prevent this damage from getting any worse. The reason why we chose a 12-inch material here is because it's obvious all the roots in this system is from probably 0 to 6 inches below grade. They're all riding on the surface doing the damage. So what we're going to do is install the Century product roll material. It's a very durable polyethylene material. We want to get it just actually should be 1 inch to 2 inches above grade, but we're going to just make a modification here and keep it right at the root zone area. And then by backfilling this, it's completely done. This is one installation of a root barrier application in an urban environment for hardscape protection on your roadway. Make sure you got the proper depth that you need here in your material. Backfill on both sides. You get an even fill. And the material is durable enough, it can actually take some punishment. Unlike prior materials made from a polystyrene or a polypropylene material, this material is very durable. We're going to leave this up above grade so it'll keep the tree roots from actually jumping over the top of the barrier. As you see, there's the top edge of your root barrier right here. It's approximately 2 inches above grade, but it's right at the root zone line. We have surface roots that are about 4 inches above grade. Therefore, the root barrier is up a little high, but we were able to come through with a tear trench and actually cut down to 18 plus inches in depth, severing any roots. And after being on this project, seeing all the root activity is happening from 0 to 6 inches below grade, there was no need to drop in a deeper barrier. 12-inch would work on this area. Your blacktop area is approximately about 4 inches thick, and then your roots are just riding right underneath it. This is going to save us a lot of money and a lot of time by not having to come back and R&R the blacktop area, drop in more blacktop, roll it out, and get a finish. And it's also going to prevent any further damage to the existing area. You can see the barrier here. There were some pretty massive tree roots here, creating this type of damage on your roadway. All these roots have been successfully severed, and your polyethylene root barrier has been installed, separating the roots from the blacktop, preventing any further growth, all done within about a total of 22 minutes.